All right, so we have our sketch all dimensioned the way we want to, and if we look back at our part here, um, everything is all set up for us to revolve that sketch around the top of our piece in order to produce this flange here. So now that we're back in the 3D model tab, we're in the go to the create section and then click revolve. And normally the first thing that you would select on the revolve menu, let me move this miniature menu over. Normally the first thing that you would select would be the profile if you had more than one sketch that could be revolved, but we only have one sketch that can be revolved, so that's already been so we have to worry about the profile. You can see that it's highlighted. So we want to go and select axis. And so our axis here is the axis of rotation. What direction are we going to revolve this around? So you notice that I can revolve it around this line here, this line, this line, this line. Anywhere there's a line, I can choose that as my axis of revolution. But here, we want it to revolve around this line here. So if you hover your mouse over here, this should highlight for you, and go ahead and left click it. So now you see that our sketch has now been revolved a full 360 degrees. Over here in the menu, you can see where you can actually click the specific angle that you want it to go to. So I can choose 90. I can do 180, that's halfway. I can do 270, 3/4 of a way. I can, and then of course, 360, all right? Or if I know it's going to go all the way around, I can just choose full, okay? And then anywhere in between, this arrow here, you can use to to adjust it the way that you want to, right? But we'll set it at full and click the green check mark or OK, and this, there we have our flange here. Just like now it's starting to take shape of where we want to get to. Okay, so make sure you save your work, and we'll move on to the next video.